A very good morning to all my dear teachers, students, parents, well-wishers, and my hearty congratulations and appreciation to Mr. and Mrs. Ramna Reddy, a proud parent of Vector Sriyansh Reddy, 2nd grade, as a chief guest of our today's occasion. First of all, let me wish all a very happy Independence Day. And my dear fellow citizens, let us raise our hearts and voices today. Freedom is our birthright. Let's cherish it with pride. Today, as we proudly celebrating the 80th Independence Day of our great nation, I feel privileged to stand before you on this special occasion. So now, especially today, let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who brought us the gift of freedom for us. India achieved freedom for the brave freedom fighters, so who brought the gift of our freedom for us, and a lot of courageous struggle. We remember with deep respect and countless freedom fighters and national leaders who sacrificed their life for us. We celebrate today just not a day, but the culmination of a long and arduous struggle for our self-determination. It's a day to honor the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, and many other freedom fighters and national leaders. And really today we are enjoying the freedom for their struggle. India is a land of diverse culture, religions and languages. So that we are united to stay here and share the dreams of progress and prosperity. Here freedom is never free. Freedom is having its own right, and freedom is also a responsibility. Our freedom comes with the duty to uphold the values of democracy, secularism and equality. India has developed remarkable progress in science, technology, education, agriculture, medicine, sports and space research. And we are really proud of these remarkable changes. And here, my dear students, you are the builders of the modern architecture of New India, as you are the next upcoming of new citizens of our nation. India needs the citizens like you. And here, as a school, our main aim is not only to teach the education to you, but to give the moral values, discipline, a good character, leadership qualities and humanity. Here, education is the most weapon in your hands. With education only, we can change the system. And all my dear students, just keep in your mind, wherever the discipline is there, wherever the good character is there, everything will follow you. Not only education, the student should be in all-rounder, in all the progressive way. And so today, so all of you along with me, you have to take the oath of the day. All of you are ready? So you have to repeat after me. I will be a good member of my family. Yes, repeat after me. I will be a good member of my family.
Member of my family.
Good member of a society. Good member of a nation. And good member of the world. I will always try to save without any discrimination of caste, creed, language, religion or state. I will never be addicted to any bad habits. For making my village clean, city clean, state clean, and greed.